Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to screen capture on a Mac computer and use the screenshot application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the ability to screen capture and use the screenshot application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's focus on the desktop. I want to screen capture on the Mac computer using a keyboard shortcut, Command Shift and 3, to take a screenshot of the entire desktop. Let's now open up that screen capture, double click to view that image. Quick preview. And now the next way to capture a screenshot is Command Shift and 4. This will allow us to screen capture a segment of our choice. And there we have it. Let's now click on the second image that we have captured. Let's now quick preview. And the third way would be Command Shift and 5. This will then open up the screenshot application. If I were to, let's just say, escape out of that, go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, now search for screenshot, click on this. This application will allow us to capture the entire screen. Let's do that now. There we have it. A screen capture on the desktop. Quick preview. Command Shift and 5. Open up screen capture. We can capture a selected window. Let's now close out of this for the moment. Go to our folder. Go to Launchpad. Go back to Screenshot. And now capture the selected window. Screenshot like that. Let's now quit Finder for the moment. Go to the desktop. Double click into that screen capture of the window itself. Let's now quick preview. Command Shift 5. Again, we want to capture selected portion. We can move this around to decrease the size of the square, the triangle, or any other shape that we are creating. Let's now click on capture. There we have it. Command Shift and 5 again. We can record the entire screen or record the selected portion. Let's click on record entire screen. Click on record. We should now be screen recording using the screenshot application. Let's now click on end the video. There we have it. We have a screen recording that was recorded via screenshot. Let's now close out of this. Go back to Command Shift and 5. We can also record a selected portion of a video. Click on record. This should now be recording. Let's now cancel that recording. Click on the recording itself. And here we have the video. Let's now quit QuickTime Player. Let's now go back to Launchpad. Search for screenshot. Go to capture entire screen. We have some options here that allow us to save that screen capture to the desktop. Let's change that to documents. Click on capture. And that should now have saved to Finder. documents, and there we go. Let's now quit preview, quit finder, go all the way down to the dock. Again, go to Launchpad, search for screenshot, change the options back to desktop. We can set a timer for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. We also have additional options to show floating thumbnail, remember the last selection, and show mouse pointer. Let's now move away from the screen capture application and focus on Command Shift and 3 to take a screen capture. Click on this. We can use all these options on screen to edit the screen capture before we save on the desktop. Let's click on done for the moment. Let's now click on that screen capture. We should be able to now edit that screen capture using these options. Let's now insert a signature if we need to. Click to begin. So now I can use my trackpad to draw some squiggles. Clear. Click to begin. CSV. Enter. Description. None. Click on done. Create that signature. And now let's move that to the top left corner of the screen. Top left corner, click on text. Move that to the side. Let's now edit text to CSV or Computer Science Videos. Drag that across the screen. If we wish to, we can change the text color by clicking on the text that was inserted. Go to font, text, color, change that to white. There we have it. Let's say I want to rotate the image. We can do that many a time in many different ways. I want to share this. Can also be shared, add to photos. Go all the way down to the dock, go to photos, and there we have that image imported to photos, or from screen capturing to editing to then exporting and importing. Quit photos, go back to that image, Command S to save. We can also, if we want to, export as a PDF. Processing, screen capture, PDF. I want to rotate this image. Command S to save. Quit preview, and there we have it. We can do many things with just screen capturing on the Mac computer, from screen capturing to screen capturing segments, recording videos, editing photos, exporting photos, importing photos. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.